to some mathematics. In this video, we are to find the equation of the cubic function which intersects the x-axis at -2, 2, and then 4, and the y-axis at 12. Let's look at how we are going to do this. If the curve cuts the x-axis, y will be equal to x plus 2, x minus 2, x minus 4. But then if it cuts the y-axis, then we are going to have k times x plus 2, x minus 2, x minus 4, which is equal to 12, where k is constant. So we then put x is equal to 0 because the curve cuts the y-axis. So for x is equal to 0, you have k times 0 plus 2, 0 minus 2, then 0 minus 4, which is equal to 12. So we have this times this, that's 16k, is equal to 12. So k will be 12 over 16. We'll go here 3, we'll go here 4. So our k is 3 over 4. So therefore, the cubic function will be y is equal to 3 over 4 x plus 2, x minus 2, then x plus 4. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I release a new video, wherever you are, be alerted. Bye.